Hello everyone, this is Dr. Saqib Saba. In this video, we will continue with the Hadoop commands. So the first command that we will see today in this video is the copy command. Okay, let's first check the list of files. So let's type HDFS DFS dash ls, but we will check it recursively. That means we will check all the files and all the directories, and those files which are inside those directories, we will check them also. Okay, let's type this. Okay, so yes, so here we can see we have one dummy data.txt that is on root. Then we have folder one directory folder one. Inside this folder one, we have one dummy data.txt and one another text file. Then we have one another directory Sakib. Then we have another directory temp, and in this temp we have some files, and then there is text file that is on root itself. Okay. Now let's try a copy command. Okay, so that means this copy command, it copies files or directories within HDFS only. Okay, that means it cannot copy file between local and HDFS. Okay, so let's copy one file. Okay, so we have this dummy data.txt that is in folder one. Let's copy this into a Sakib directory. Okay, so how to do this? Okay, let's type HDFS DFS, then hyphen cp. Okay, copy. Then we have to first give the source path. Okay, source path is folder one and dummy data dot text. Okay, now next we have to give destination. So destination is Sakib. So I want to copy this inside Sakib. Okay, then press enter. Okay, so it's taking little bit time. Okay, we are not getting any error. That means our file dummy data.txt is copied into Sakib. So let's check. So let's check list of files, but we will check it recursively. That means here we will check list of files. It will show us list of files. It will show us list of directories, and it will show us files inside those directories also. Let's press enter. Okay, so we copied this dummy data.txt from folder 1 to Sakib. Okay, so here we can see, okay, check here. We have got Sakib, and inside Sakib directory we have got this dummy data.txt. That means we have copied this successfully. Okay, so next command is move command. Okay, that means it this move command, it moves files or it moves directories within HDFS. And another function of this move command is it renames files also. So we will first copy some data or copy one text file from one folder to another, and then we will check renaming also. Okay, so let's do it. So okay, we will move this dummy. Okay, inside this Sakib, check here, inside this Sakib folder we have this dummy data.txt. So we will move this to root folder. We'll move this to root folder. Okay, let's HDFS, let's write this dfs dash mv. Okay, then we have to first give source. So we want to copy, we want to move Sakib and dummy data.txt. We want to move this text file to root. Okay, so done. Let's press enter. Okay, so first this is my Sakib dummy data.txt. This is my uh, okay, so dummy data.txt already exists. Okay, so actually this dummy data.txt is already existing here on root. So let's try to move some another file. Okay, so here we have inside this temp folder we have uh, data text. Let's move it from this temp directory to root. Okay, so how to do this? Okay, let's do it temp and data.text, and let's move it to root. Okay, so this, press enter. Okay, so it's taking some time. Okay, so we are not getting error. That means this file is okay. A data.txt file has been moved from temp to root. Okay, let's check. So how to check it? Okay, yes. Okay, it will display all the files, all the directories. HDFS, DFS, hyphen ls, hyphen r. Okay, so previously inside temp we had this data.txt. Now this, but we have moved this data.txt to root folder, and see here on root we have data.txt, and now this temp, because previously data.txt was in temp, now there is only one text file inside temp, that is rename.txt. Okay, next is there are two functions of this uh, hyphen mv command. So first one was to move some file or to move some directory. Next is to rename file. Okay, so we will rename okay, inside this temp there is one file called rename.txt. Okay, let's rename it again. So how to do it? HDFS DFS dash mv source, okay, slash temp slash renamed dot txt, and again I will give same location temp, and now we want to rename this. Okay, I will give it as different name, saqib dot txt. So I will give it a saqib dot text name. Okay, now let's press enter. Okay, so we are renaming this text file. Uh, there is one text file rename.txt, and now I am renaming this to Sakib. Okay, now let's check, okay, whether it's renamed or not. So how to check? Okay, we will check all the files hdfs dfs dash ls dash r. Let's enter. Okay, so you can see here. Yes, inside temp. So previously there was inside temp we had this rename.txt. Now we have renamed this to sakib.txt. Now you can see it, temp and sakib.txt. Okay, so this was another function of mp. Okay, let's clear cls. Okay, next is we will check the display the disk usage. Okay, so let's first check. Okay, let's first check all these directories and files. Then we will check disk usage of some directory. Okay, so here we have one directory, folder one. We will check disk usage of this directory. Okay, how to check it? HDFS DFS hyphen du, and then we will give this folder one, folder one, and press enter. Okay, so inside this folder one, we have two files, that is dummy data.txt and text file.txt, and here we can see 30 bytes and 32 bytes. Okay, dummy data.txt size of dummy data.txt is 30 bytes and size of text file.txt is 32 bytes. Okay, there is another command. Okay, let's try that. HDFS dfs dash dus and folder one. Okay, so this command, again this command, it is similar to command disk usage, but it shows the total size. So here in this du, it was showing us all the files and it was showing a size. For example, dummy data.txt, it was showing size of dummy data.txt and it was showing size of text file.txt. Next is this dus. It is similar to du, but it shows only the total size. So it shows total size. Let's press enter. Okay, let's press enter. Okay, now see here we can see that okay, so again it is giving us a folder one, but it is giving a size of a full folder. It's now uh, this du command, it was giving a size of individual files. Okay, so individual file dummy.txt, but this dus is similar to this, but it is giving us full size. Okay, so next is now let's move to next command. Next command is move from local. Move from local. Okay, that means what does that mean? That means this move from local, it moves a file from local to HDFS and it deletes the file from local storage after the move. Okay, so let's check here in my, okay, we have this D folder. So there is one file called text file. Okay, so there is one text file. Okay, I am copying path of this text file. Okay, so we will move this file from our local system to HDFS. Okay, now how to move it? Okay, so let's try HDFS DFS, then MOVE, then F is capital, from local, L is capital, move from local. Then we have to first give location of source. Okay, source path. So this is my source path, and I want to move it. Okay, in which folder we want to keep this file? Okay, we'll keep it in. Okay, there is one directory Sakib. Okay, we will keep it inside Sakib. We will move this to Sakib. Okay, so now we will give destination path SAQIP and press enter. Okay, so this move from local, this command will move the text file from my local system that is in D drive, and it will move it to HDFS Sakib. Okay, now let's check whether this file has been moved or not. Okay, so how to check it? Okay, okay, HDFS DFS dash LS, and then we will check inside Sakib SAQIP. Okay, so found two items. Okay, so previously here you can see there was only one file, that was dummy data.txt. Okay, now we have two files, dummy data.txt and text file dot text. So I have moved this text file dot text from my local system to HDFS system. Now let's check if it exists in our local system or not. Okay. Okay, so previously this text file was here, but now because we have moved this so file to HDFS, so it's